Hi, this is Chris Lindberg. I'm here to talk about Unit 64, Example Number 1, from the Mathematics for Machine Technology book by Smith and Peterson. I'm an instructor at Shoreline Community College. The first thing we need to do is to analyze the problem. So looking at x, what do we need to solve for it? Well, we need this one section circled in red, which is missing, and we also need this other section. To solve these two sections, we're going to look at small triangles and calculate the missing sides. So what do we need to do? First, we need to find the sides. So we're going to calculate the difference in the diameters, the difference between the large diameter, 1 and 742 thousandths, and the 812 thousandth diameter, which will give us A1. So if we subtract the two, we get 930 thousandths. Divided by 2, we get 465 thousandths. That's our vertical distance there. The reason we divided by 2 is because half of that difference was on top, and the other half is down here on the bottom, where we're working. Next, we need to find the difference between the other two diameters, 812 thousandths and 298 thousandths. When we take the difference, we get 514 thousandths, divided by 2, and that's 257 thousandths. Now we have the vertical distances in both those locations, and what we'll need to do is calculate the opposite distances in both those locations. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got to calculate the opposite. Since we have the adjacent and we're going to calculate the opposite, we need to use the tangent function. So the tangent in this case of 28 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. We have the adjacent, and solving for the opposite, we have the opposite equals the tangent times the adjacent. Substituting in the numbers, we have 465 thousandths times 0.531709,432, which is 247 thousandths and 233,886. And that's the distance for O1. Next we'll calculate the other one, and here we again are using the tangent function because we have the opposite and the adjacent. We're looking for the opposite, we have the adjacent. Rearranging the equation, the opposite's going to equal the tangent of 70 degrees in this case, times the adjacent. Substituting in our numbers, we have 2.747477419 times 257 thousandths, which gives us 0.706101697. Now to solve for x, we're going to add those two numbers together, and then add those to the numbers we have. So adding them together, we get 5.834335583. And rounding to 3 digits, we get 5 and 834 thousandths. That's the answer to our question, what is x? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Come back and join us again sometime. Bye.